Hey everybody, Carter from Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota and AutoramaAuto.com. Today we have a ranch pickup, or maybe a pickup for your kid who's just chomping at the bit to have an F-250, but you don't want to spend huge money. This truck has a little light hail on it. You hardly see it. The box side is screwed up. It's dripping some oil. It's got a pretty nasty exhaust leak at first start. Typical 5.4 liter. But it runs like a top. It starts good. It drives good. It has the heated leather interior in it. It's a Lariat 4x4. It has the BW turnover ball. Tires are decent. And you're going to get a heck of a buy on it. The damage is only cosmetic. It's a local trade. Carfax says no collisions. See it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota and AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the huge hidden fees.